Russia-Ukraine conflict has become one of the most significant and devastating geopolitical crises of the 21st century. To understand the present, we must first delve into its origins, the tensions that have shaped it, and the current situation on the ground. The roots of the Russia-Ukraine conflict trace back to the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991. Ukraine, once part of the USSR, declared independence, forming its own government and aligning with the Western democracies. However, the historical ties between Russia and Ukraine, as well as disputes over territory and identity, sowed the seeds of future conflict. One critical flashpoint has been Crimea, historically contested and annexed by Russia in 2014 following Ukraine's Euromaidan protests. These protests ousted a pro-Russian government in favor of closer ties with the European Union. Russia justified the annexation as protecting ethnic Russians, while much of the international community condemned it as a violation of Ukraine's sovereignty. In the aftermath of Crimea's annexation, pro-Russian separatists in Ukraine's eastern region of Donetsk and Luhansk declared independence, leading to a brutal war that has claimed thousands of lives. Despite ceasefires brokered through the Minsk agreements, violence continued, fueled by Russia's military support to the separatists and Ukraine's effort to reclaim control. The Russia-Ukraine war began on February 24, 2020. Russia President Vladimir Putin ordered a full-scale invasion of Ukraine, escalating tensions that had been brewing. Since Russia's annexation of Crimea in 2014, prior to the invasion, Russia amassed over 190,000 troops along the Ukraine's borders, claiming to be responding to NATO's expansion and Ukraine's alleged mistreatment of Russian-speaking population in Donbas regions. Russia launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine. President Vladimir Putin cited NATO's eastward expansion and the alleged oppression of Russia-speaking communities as justifications. Ukraine, under President Volodymyr Zelensky, mounted a fierce resistance backed by international aid. The invasion led to international sanctions against Russia, a global energy crisis, and widespread humanitarian fallout. Millions of Ukrainians fled their homes, creating one of the largest refugee crises in modern history. These are some key events in the war. 2022, the invasion of Ukraine's resistance. February 24, Russia launched airstrikes and ground attacks from Belarus, Russia, and Crimea, aiming to capture Kyiv within days. March to April, Ukrainian force repelled Russian advances in the north, forcing a retreat from Kyiv. On April the 3rd, Bucha massacre discovered. Hundreds of civilians were killed by Russian forces. On May 20th, Russia captures Mariupol after months of siege, forcing the surrender of Ukrainian soldiers at a steel plant. The whole month of September, Ukraine launched counteroffensive, retaking Kharkiv and pushing Russia back. Meanwhile, Russia annexed 4 Ukrainian regions after staged referendums. On November 11, Ukraine liberated Kherson, marking a significant victory. 2023, the war escalated and Russia's private army called the Wagner Group entered. On the 25th of January 2023, Germany and the US agreed to send Leopard 2 and Abrams tanks to Ukraine. On 17th of March, the International Criminal Court issued an arrest warrant for Putin over alleged war crimes involving the deportation of Ukrainian children. On May 21st, Russia captured Bakhmut after a year-long battle. On June 23 to 24, the Wagner Group mutinied against the Russian military, briefly taking over the Rostov-on-Don before retreating. The leader of that group later died in a plane crash. In 2024, the war has come into a stalemate, and the fighting is still continued. In the summer of 2024, Ukraine launched limited counteroffensives, briefly entering Russian territory in the Kursk region. November 2024, after nearly 1,000 days of war, fighting continued, but neither side made major territorial gains. Russia still occupied larger parts of Donbas and southern Ukraine, while Ukraine relied on Western aid. The amount of casualties and humanitarian impact in this war has been insane. Over 1 million deaths, both military and civilian, estimated by November 2024. Over 10 million Ukrainians displaced, including 6.7 million refugees in Europe. 40% of Ukraine's population depends on humanitarian aid. The EU, US and allies imposed severe economic sanctions on Russia, but its economy adapted due to trade with China and India. Western military aid has held Ukraine's back. The US provided $85 billion and the EU over $100 billion, and NATO allies continued arms shipment. Today the war continues with no clear resolution in sight. The global community remains divided, with Western nations providing military and financial support to Ukraine, while other countries either support Russia or remain neutral. The ongoing conflict serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of peace and the far reaching consequences of war. The Russia Ukraine war is not just a regional conflict, but a global crisis with far reaching implications. Its resolution will require diplomacy, courage, and the collective will of the international community. Until then, the world watches, hoping for peace to prevail.